In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two accounts on Slack. If you've ever needed to keep your work and personal life separate or simply manage multiple projects efficiently, this tutorial is just for you. We'll dive into the steps needed to have two accounts open simultaneously, ensuring seamless communication no matter which hat you're wearing. So, let's start making Slack work for you with just a few easy clicks. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Slack website by searching for AI work management and productivity tools, or simply heading directly to Slack's homepage. This is your starting point for all things Slack, where you can either start a new session or open existing ones. Whether you're on your computer or using your mobile device, access to Slack is just a web address away. By visiting Slack's homepage, you're setting the stage for managing your accounts effectively. Once there, the next step is to sign in. On the homepage, you'll see the option to sign in with Google. This method simplifies the process, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Opting for Google Sign-In not only speeds things up, but also leverages the security and convenience that comes with an integrated Google account. So go ahead and click on that link and follow the prompts to log into your existing Slack workspace. Now that you're logged into one of your accounts, it's time to access the Slack dashboard, where you get a comprehensive view of your workspace. This dashboard acts as your central hub, allowing easy navigation between different channels and direct messages. Seeing all your tools laid out in one place simplifies multitasking and ensures you never miss a message, especially when juggling across accounts. Your next move is to click on your profile. This area of your dashboard provides access to personal settings and preferences. By clicking on your profile, you gain control over how you engage with your workspace. Whether it's updating your personal information or adjusting settings for notifications, this feature helps tailor your Slack experience according to your needs. Finally, for adding another workspace, simply click on Add a Workspace in your profile menu. This option allows you to input the details of another Slack workspace you want to join. It's as straightforward as it sounds, just a matter of entering the workspace details and logging in once again. By adding a new workspace, you're opening the door to another realm of collaboration and communication, without any need to reconfigure or sign out from your original account. And there you have it. With these simple steps and steps, managing multiple Slack accounts is a breeze. Whether it's keeping work and personal chats separate or doubling down on productivity by switching between projects, Slack makes it incredibly efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and happy Slacking.